Hey guys, I would like to show y'all another wood trick puzzle. This puzzle is a hot rod and it comes in this little tiny box. So when you really look at the design off of it, they were able to fit it all into one box. The box comes with the instructions and all the pieces. The instructions are very well done. There's basically no written words except first page or first two pages. Everything else is just pictures. It's simple. It's quite simple to put it together. I think I had two instances when I had to kind of pay attention what I'm doing, because some of the things for the pieces are very similar, so you have to kind of pay attention when you're putting them together, but it's not really difficult. This whole puzzle took me around 3 hours or so. I like to take my time with it because I really enjoy playing with puzzles like this. When you really look at the details of the car, it's very, very well done. I'm always impressed with Woodtricks engineering. When you open the door, you can see the dashboard. You can see from the wheels to even little details like a license plate. And on the top of that, the car moves. It will stop when you press the stop button. It will move when you press the start button here. And it is windable. So you can wind up the car with this little piece you create. You put it in the front of it, then you wind it up. Once it's done, it's working with the rubber bands. You press the start button and the car moves. What is another cool feature on it, when you really pay attention to it, the cylinders of the V8 move as the wheels are turning, which is super cool. So every little detail on this car was very well designed, and if you enjoy putting puzzles like that together as I do, you will truly enjoy it.